In this video, I'm going to show you how to export data from Dext. Now, it's possible to export your receipts, invoices, expense data, and stuff like that from the browser directly, okay? So it's actually super simple. All you have to do is find your data you want to export. So you can go, for example, to costs and then costs inbox, expense claims. You also have the options to go to sales over here and things like this. And notice how each and every single time you can see this tools menu up top. So if I go over here, I have tools over here, etc. And I can just basically click on the tools and select export all, or I could just select the things I want to export with a check mark next to it, go to tools and click on export, okay? So whenever you do this, you'll have to basically select. So if I click on export all, you have to select either if you want CSV, PDF, or zip. So I'm just going to go with CSV. And then here you have, of course, the format. You can change it. I'm just going to leave it as Dext default. And then I'm going to click on export again. And there we go. It's going to basically take me over here. It says that my files have been scanned and are safe to download. Click the download button, and there we go. As you can see, I have successfully exported data from Dext. Of course, I could do the same if I select, for example, PDFs. As you can see, it's going to take me to the same page where I can just download that specific PDF, and it's going to go through as well. Now, as you can see here, it says you have to wait for them to actually generate your documents. So if you have like a lot of different things in here, larger batches, it could take like 10 minutes or sometimes even more, but usually it's quite quick. And then you can simply hit the download button, and that's it, okay? Now, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.